Today we're going to show you how to test a factory speaker or any speaker. We have one that we use this for testing in the car as well. If we have a bad speaker in the car, we can take this one out and hook it up to the existing speaker in the car with the two wires to see if we have audio there. This tests for a bad speaker in the car. But also you're able to test these speakers to see if the coil is complete or if there's an open in the coil with a and it does two tests at the same time. We're going to take a flashlight battery and we're going to hold one end of this lead to the top of the battery, and the other lead we're going to touch to the bottom of the battery. Now hopefully you'll hear a little static noise and you'll see the cone on the speaker jump as well. Now I just touched that to the lead and you can see the speaker cone drops down. Now this tells you that the coil is complete, there's no open, the speaker is good. To really test, you would have to put audio to it to see if it's distorted. But this test also does something else. It does a polarity check. If you're looking at replacing the speakers in the car and you take the original factory speaker out, it's going to have its own connector attached to it. I would cut it with a little bit longer wire. The reason for that is we're going to again touch this to the lead, and you see the speaker cone now bounces upwards when I touch it to the battery. Now what this does is tells you the polarity of the speaker, which is very important. The wire that was on the positive side of the battery, this is your positive lead to your speaker. This is to the original speaker, we'll say, so you go back and check wire color codes on this to the car so you know which speaker wire is positive, which is negative. So if you have the cone popping in the up position, like this, whatever lead is on the positive side of the battery, tracing it back to the speaker, that is the positive lead. But in many cases too, if you look real closely at the mounting, there is a plus sign here, a minus here. Sometimes you'll see a red dot on one side, a red dot or something like this to designate the positive and the negative. It's very important to get these polarities, the positive and negatives, correct through the whole system. Otherwise you'll find you're losing bass, and there'll be no bass. And another way of testing for that is putting your stereo in, balancing all the way to the right with full bass, and if you balance back towards the left, does your bass drop out through the center and come back when you go to the other side? This is another test for speaker phasing and having proper polarity on your speakers. Hope this video has been helpful. See our other do-it-yourself repairs and how-to removal guides and so on our website at carstereohelp.com. Thank you for watching.